FlexGO is all about simplicity. It's a smarter, low-effort way for businesses to earn revenue from energy flexibility without interrupting your day-to-day operations. In this video, we'll walk you through what the FlexGO journey actually looks like from first contact to earning revenue and beyond.
The first step is to use the FlexGO Navigator on our website. We'll ask you for a few key details about your site to establish whether FlexGO is a good fit for you.
Next, we set up a quick call with either myself or one of my colleagues to gather more information, including energy consumption data and site technical details.
Using the information you provided, we will propose the best solution for you. The proposal will include a revenue forecast so you can see the value FlexGO could bring before anything is installed.
We agree on contract and terms and conditions. We provide 100% transparency and are available to answer questions at any stage.
Next step is installation. We provide the FlexGO device or any other type of installation required, along with simple instructions. It's quick to install and will guide you through the process step by step.
Once you're connected, you'll use the FlexGO portal to tell us when your assets are available and your minimum price. We take care of the rest, participating in energy markets on your behalf and making sure your daily operations always come first.
Each month, you earn revenue for supporting the grid. You'll receive transparent reports and regular payments. It's extra income powered by assets you already own.
And that's just the beginning. As energy markets evolve, FlexGO evolves with you. You'll get insights into how you can grow your earnings, add new assets, or adapt to new opportunities. We've been at the forefront of this industry over 2 decades. This means that you can rest easy knowing that we make sure you have access to the most lucrative options.
Connect once, earn every month you're available, and grow with us as the energy system changes.
Visit flexgo.energy to use the FlexGO Navigator and start your flexibility journey today. Flex, earn, go.